Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I am all about extra gentle skincare these days and stuff that's made all naturally. This eye makeup remover from Earth Science is really wonderful. It's super gentle and made with some great ingredients so that you never feel that you're aggravating your eyes or that it's too drying for my skin. The bottle itself is very easy to apply. It has the pump at the top, and you can see just adding a little bit on a cloth goes a long way. It's all natural, as I mentioned. It has anti-inflammatory properties as well as hyaluronic acid. So you're definitely getting something that is going to be very gentle, but also moisturizing at the same time as taking off eye makeup. I am really have a problem with things that have a strong odor, and this product has no odor at all despite having the chamomile and green tea in it, but you don't get any of that scent, and if there is any, I don't notice it. But what I really like the most is that it is super gentle. I love products that are also generously sized, so I was really pleased with this 2-pack. You get a really good sized bottle with the 4 ounces, and this will last me forever, so it's really worth the value as well. But the best part of it is that it's just a great product. If you have any sensitivities but you're looking for something natural that will still be really effective in taking off your makeup, you would really want to consider this one. You will be very pleased with it, and it will not cause any aggravation, but rather just do exactly what you need it to do. And that's my point of view.